How much old data do you have lying around? When I work with clients who have recently migrated a solution or have kind of taken things to the next level and they have a really solid system foundation, oftentimes what gets in their way is the fact that they have a lot of old data sitting in their queue. So it's really difficult to see what they actually need to be working on or what actually is outstanding. Or they can't use the built-in dashboards to look at what's outstanding on their current list because there's just a lot of old information in there. So at the macro level, the information isn't reliable. That means you can't put checks and balances in place to say, hey, were all these transactions cleared? Did I miss something? Did I forget to send out an invoice? Did I forget to, follow up? Do I have some past due? All of that stuff depends on your data being current and up to date. And a lot of times when I start talking about cleaning up old data, a lot of people are like, oh, that's going to be a lot of manual work. But here's a trick. More often than not, if you reach out to a SaaS provider and say, I would like everything between these days to be marked as X and do a bulk update, most of them can do it on the back end. Like even if you don't have the ability to do a mass check and I'm just going to mark this all as paid, or I'm going to mark these all as archived, or I'm going to do this all so that they clear out. Oftentimes, your providers will do that for you. You just simply have to log onto the chat window and ask them, and 9 times out of 10, I find they will do that. So just remember, if you have old data that's clouding your vision and keeping you from moving forward, it might be a lot easier to get off of their plate than you realize.